Friedrich's new floating air ductless split systems with FastPro technology are the easiest and fastest ductless split systems to install and maintain. Let's take a closer look at what makes FastPro a revolutionary system for HVAC professionals. Easy installation. First, install the mounting plate. Then simply hang the AC onto it securely. Second, remove the trim panel. Once removed, open the cover and remove the screws. Next, open the front panel of the supply air outlet and push the slide bolts to lock the cover in the open position. If you desire more room, simply place the support bar at the bottom to increase the amount of installation space. Third, connect the refrigerant lines and the drain pipes. Next, connect the wiring in the control box. To finish, close the air outlet component as well as the front panel. Easy to clean. First, remove the trim panels and screws. Second, open the front panel, then easily remove the 2 return air filters and clean them. Third, open the air outlet component and lock it into place. Each component is easily removed and easily cleanable. Maintenance of the supply air outlet is simple. First, remove the PCB box cover. Loosen the step motor wire plug at the terminal. Second, remove the screws. Then, simply pull out the bolts to unlock the supply air outlet component. The entire assembly can then be removed, and the components can be cleaned very easily. Cleaning the supply air fan and blower housing is now a breeze. First, remove the PCB box cover. Then, loosen the fan motor wire terminal. Second, remove the trim panel and then open the cover and remove the screws. Open the supply air outlet component and slide the locking slides into place to lock the component in the open position. Third, remove the 5 screws. Next, pull down the fan motor wire. Loosen the drain pipe and the base pan assembly. Finally, pull out the fan and base pan assembly. These components are now easily cleanable. Ease of service. To replace the PCB, first, remove the PCB box cover. Second, loosen all electric component terminals. Third, loosen the power input wire terminals. Finally, simply pull out the PCB. Replacing the blower motor. First, remove the PCB box cover and disconnect the wire terminal of the fan motor. Second, remove the trim panel, then remove the screws. Open the supply air outlet component and push the slide locks over to lock the component in the open position. Third, remove the 5 screws. Pull down the fan motor wire. Loosen the drain pipe. Fourth, pull out the fan and base pan assembly. Finally, remove the screws and lift out the fan motor. Clean these components or replace them with ease. Simplified installation, service, and maintenance. Find your floating air ductless featuring FastPro at Friedrich.com.